Hello, teacher. My name is Doris Paula Orjuela Garcia, and I live in Bogota. I am 29 years old, and I am very happy for this activity. Okay, we'll start. First, in this moment, I'm going to talk about 2 sentences and 1 paragraph. Okay? I'm going to start first with 1 sentence. Okay, thank you. Jack bought a new car last Friday. Jack bought a new car last Friday. Okay. Would you like to come over and play a game of chess? Will you like to come over and play a game of chess? Okay, teacher. Now continue with the paragraph. Is here. The question is, what is the phony? A phony is the smallest unit of sound in speech. When we teach reading, we teach children with letters represent those sounds. For example, the word hat has 3 phonies. What is? The first is H, A, and T. Okay, teacher, thank you so much for your attention, and have a wonderful weekend, and bye-bye. Thank you, bye-bye.